I would like you to get me, you go here, hmm, and you get me the details of these billionaires in Excel. Now there are about 200 and something billionaires. You copy their details for me. You can see, let's say here, you can see they have serial number, name, net worth, rank. Okay, rank. Let's use rank, name, network, age, source of wealth, country, the other country here, um, industry. So the added industry here. So we use this to gather. So you're going to copy. Let's see. So you're going to copy this. Let me show you an example of what I've done already. Even I did marital status, date of birth, residence, citizenship. We may add country because we may add country. Let's just put a question mark there. So I want to show you what I did, but this was for 2019. It was 1 year in Upwork. So you can see that the serial number and the rank are not the same because sometimes you may have some people like 11, you can see this, then jump to 12. So serial number is different from 1 to there are about 2,600 billionaires. So you get me all their details. When you open them, you now know those who are male, those who are female, and such things like that. So you capture all of them for me here. When you finish, you can now go to the next 200 to bring out for you the next 200. So like that, you keep going until when you are done with all of them. You can just, so this is the next 200. You can see the industry. So I think we need to also capture industry. I don't think they captured it then that time. So we need to capture industry. Residence is important. Citizenship is important. So when you are done with this, you are capturing 2,600 for all of them. Then you're going to do this for individually. You're going to go do an Excel file. See. So for example, for each of them, let's start from the beginning anyway. For each of them, you're going to come for each of them and do an Excel file. Let me show you an example. So when you're done with that, for every 200, you're going to come and you just maybe just come here and get me more details about them. You just come here. Like Eliomos, for example, full profile. You copy it into Excel for me. You can see this. You just maybe like here for me like this. Now copy. Maybe you copy this separate. So I just show you an example of what I am trying to do. You can see this now example. This was for 2009, whereby I also copied some information about them. So if it's Elian Mox, so let's go back and see. You can now copy this information. You need its picture. Forbes list. Personal details. See this now. So you copy this also. Now come here. Did you know? Did you know? You now copy this. There are two information there. You now come again, copy the next one. These are, you can put this in bullet points. We're going to talk about formatting later. We're going to talk about formatting in his own words. So, so you save them. Let me show you an example. You can see here we did batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. So let me open it, zoom it out so you see how we arrange them. Hmm? So, but there will always be 200 for each of the batches. So when you finish getting the Excel, just like what I've done here, and the network, we'll now go to that one. Hmm? Then another thing again, so you now go to the individual of them and gather their individual details for each of them. As I showed you, this is just like a classic example. We need their pictures. For their pictures now, for example, if we try to get a picture from here, you download their picture also, it's not clear. So let's see if we can download it from their full profile. I don't know what to do. How do I get this picture now? So let me just look at this. View page source, photo by, and let's see, I think this is a link to their picture. This is a link to the picture. You can see the picture here. I just search for this information. Aha, so this is a picture. So you save this picture as Elion Mox. You create a folder called Billionaires. Huh? No, just call it maybe Billionaire Pictures. Billionaire Pictures. So you now call, like this first one is called Elion Mox. So you save the name. So there are three things which you're doing here. You are first of all, one, gather all billionaires in Excel. Two, download their individual profile. Three, download the individual profiles. And number three, gather all billionaires in Excel, download the individual profiles. No, not that. Copy the individual profiles, download their pictures into one folder. All of them will be in one folder, no matter how plenty. This one should be broken down. So that's what I want you to do. But please, the Excel, like for example, when you open this now, you can see some personal details. Ages, yes, source of wealth is important. I don't know if we have it in our list. Source, yeah, this is source of wealth. It's very important. Self-made score, self-made score. So self-made, yes. This is self-made. If they write self-made, that means it's self-made. Philanthropy, no, don't need that. Residency, citizenship, marital status in relationship. So it's not married, I think. So that I think it's so children. Maybe decide to put, I think, let's put children here. Education, you put education. Now, so this is just to give you an idea. You're doing for 2,000 of them. Thank you.